Welcome to the YouTube channel Math Skill. Today we are going to discuss about a chapter called as Quadratic Equations, which is a part of NCERT as well as CBSE syllabus. Under NCERT it is exercise 10.1 question number 2 third bit. Under CBSE it is exercise 4.1 question number 2 third bit. Now we will see what the problem is about. So here he is asking us to represent the following situation in the form of a quadratic equations. That is, by reading a statement problem, we will have to build a quadratic equation. This is the expectation. Now what the problem is about: Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. The product of their ages 3 years from now will be 360. We would like to find Rohan's present age. So here the expectation is we will have to find the Rohan's present age. So for that we will have to build a quadratic equation. The best approach to assume something as x in problems like this is assume the entity what he is asking. That is, since he is asking Rohan's present age, let us assume Rohan's present age as x years. With this, now let us read the first statement again. So he is saying Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So if x is the age of Rohan currently, then Rohan's mother would be x plus 26 years old. So how did we get this x plus 26? Because this is what is the given data. So he is saying Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. So since we have assumed Rohan to be x years old, then whatever is the value of x, for that we will have to add 26 years. Now also there is an additional condition which says the product of their ages 3 years from now would be 360. So now we will have to find Rohan's age and his mother's age after 3 years. So how to find that? If Rohan is x years old now, then after 3 years he would be x plus 3 years. So similarly, because Rohan's mother is x plus 26 years old now, so for that we will have to add 3. So if we are adding, then upon opening the brackets, x plus 29 plus 3 or x plus 29 is what we are getting. So x plus 29 is what? X plus 29 is the Rohan's mother's age after 3 years. Now coming back to condition, he says if you multiply x plus 3 and also x plus 29, which are their ages after 3 years, then we would get what? We would get a number 360. Now how to use this condition? Just multiply the expressions x plus 3 and x plus 29 what we have got. So this will give us 360. Now the LHS of the problem, what has to be simplified now, is looking like x plus a into x plus b. So in formula, wherever there is a, there is 3. Wherever there is b, there is 29. Which means what? In order to apply this particular formula, so we will have to substitute in case of a and b 3 and 29. 3 and 29. Now let us see how to simplify this further. So I have applied the formula x plus a into x plus b, which is equal to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b equals 360, which is the given number. Now how to simplify this further? In next step, x square would remain as it is. 3 and 29 would get added up to become 32. Also 3 and 29 would get multiplied. So this number 87 we have got by multiplying these 3 and 29, 360 would remain as it is. Now we see that we have x square, 32x and 87 on LHS, and on RHS there is 360. So in order to simplify and find the final equation, so let us transpose 360 from RHS towards the LHS. So if you are transposing, what happens is plus 360 would become minus 360. Now x square plus 32x would remain as it is in the next step, whereas the numbers would get simplified, that is 87 plus 87 and also minus 360 would get simplified to get minus 273. So this number minus 273 I have got by simplifying these two numbers. Now x square plus 32x minus 273 equals to 0 is what the final answer what we have got. Now this cannot be further simplified because x square, 32x and 273 are unlike terms which cannot be added or subtracted. If that is the case, this is the final required equation. Now what we have to say is This is a final required equation where x is the Rohan's present age. This is what is the problem about. Thank you.